The shuttering's pretty much up. All we need to do now is just secure. If you can see these holes here, we're going to be putting some bolts through both sides from the back to the front and tying them. These are the bolts that we're talking about. They're going to get tightened. So the RCC walls are getting filled today. Most of it is done. As you can see, we've also put another PVC water stop at the top there, because we're going to have another construction joint here. From here we're going to go another 2 foot up, and then our slab's going to come. So we're going to pour the slab with this 2 foot wall. So because of the joint, we need another water stopper. The steps are also getting filled, our cantilever steps.